Hello childrens. Now we will move to our exercise 4.1. In that the first question is given, solve the following subtraction problems. So we will solve the given sums with the help of our book. So here it is. I have written all those sum at here. So let's solve exercise 4.1. The first sum is given 55 minus 8. So starting from the ones column. 5 minus 8. So initially our first condition is what? To check that first number should be bigger than second one. Now it is not there, as 5 is smaller than 8, we can't subtract 8 from 5. So what we will do, we will take borrow from it next. Now next is 5 is there. So 5 can give us 1. Yes, so we will take 1 from 5. So how many remain towards 5? That is 4. So we will write top 4 on the top of it. So 4, and as it is giving us 110, so 110 plus 5 is become 15. So we will write 15 on the top of 5. So 15. So now first number is bigger than second one. Yes, so subtraction will be possible. So count after small number up to big number. After 5, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will write 7 on the answer place. 7. Now 4. 4 minus nothing is there, so 0 is there. So 4 minus 0, as we have seen the property that if 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer is the number itself. So answer is the 4 itself. So we got the answer over here is 47. Next is 60 minus 4. Starting from the ones place, 0 minus 4. Check our first condition. Is first number is bigger than second number? No. So we will take the borrow from it next. Now next is 6 is there. So 6 can give us 1. Yes. So we will take 1 from 6. So how many will remain here? 5. And 0 is become 10. 0 is become 10. You have to write 1 on its left hand side. Don't write 1 on the right side of the number. Always write 1 to its left hand, the given number, and add 1 to its left hand side. So number is become 10. So now first number is bigger than second one. Yes, so subtraction now possible. So count after small number up to big number. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 on the answer please. 5 minus 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5. So our answer is 56. Third sum is given 38 minus 9. Now 8 minus 9. 8 is bigger than 9? No. So subtraction will not be possible. So what we have to do? We have to take a borrow from its next. Now 3 is there. So 3 can give us 1. So how many remain here? That is 2. As we are taking 1 from 3, so how many will remain here? 2. And here become 8 is become, you have to write 1 on the left side of the given number. So 18, as 110 plus 8 is become 18. So now first number is bigger than second number. Yes, so subtraction will be possible. Count after small number up to big number. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many? We have to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write 9 on the answer place. Now 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Question number 2. Arrange in columns and subtract. The examples are given and you have to first arrange that example in the columns and then you have to solve. The first is given 97 minus 9. So 97, as 7 is on ones place, so we will write 7 is on ones and 9 is on tens. Minus 9. So 9 is a one digit number, so we will always place one digit number in the ones column. So 9, and put minus sign, don't forget to put it. Now starting from the ones column, 7 minus 9. First we have to check that first number is bigger than second. No. So is it there? 7 is bigger than 9? No. So what we will do, we will take a borrow from its next. Now 9 is there. 9 can give us 1. Yes. So how many will remain here? That is 8, as it is giving us 1. So 110 plus 7 is become 110 plus 7 is become 17. So 17. Now first number is bigger than second number. Yes, so subtraction will be possible. So count after small number up to big number. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write 8 on the answer place. And 8 minus nothing is there, so 0 is there. So 8 minus 0 is 8. So 88 is our answer. Next, 86 minus 8. So arrange it in the first place value chart column. 86 minus 8, as it is one digit number, so we will write on the ones column 8. Now starting from the ones column, 6 minus 8, subtraction will be possible? No, because our first condition is to check first number is bigger than second one. Here 6 is not bigger than 8, so subtraction will not be possible. So what we will do, we will take a borrow from its next. Now next is 8. Now 8 can give us 1. Yes, so how many will remain here? 7. And 110 plus 6 is become 16. Write 1 always on the left side of the given number. So 16 minus 8. Now first number is bigger than second one. Yes, so subtraction is 8 minus 16. So count after 8 up to 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 we will write. And 7 minus nothing is there, so 0 is there. 7 minus 0 is 7. Next, 40 minus 3. So first arrange in place value chart column. 40 minus 3. Okay, so starting from ones column, 0 minus 3. First condition, first number is bigger than second number? No. So what we will do, we will take borrow from it next. Next is 4. Now 4 can give us 1, so we will take 1. So how many remain here? 3. And here become 110 plus 0 is 10. 10. Now first number is bigger than second one? Yes, so subtraction will be possible. Now count after small number up to big number. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will write here 7. Now 3 minus nothing is there, so 0 is there. So 3 minus 0 is 3. In this way we can solve the given sums, given examples. I hope you can do the remaining 3 sums.